Cookery 10, quarter to lesson 3B, topic 1, basic knife cuts. Number 2, general rules in cooking vegetables. Number 3, ways of cooking vegetables. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to acquire the following. Number 1, know the basic knife cuts. Number 2, identify general rules in cooking vegetables. And number 3, ways of cooking vegetables. Let's recall. Welcome to Trivia Night. Rules of the game. True if the statement is correct and false if it is wrong. Question number 1. Look if the vegetables are not bruised, broken, spoiled, or damaged. Answer true. Question number 2. It's okay to buy vegetables that are already cut up, peeled off, or soaked in water. Answer false. Question number 3. Washing is done to remove soil, surface, microorganism, insecticides, or pesticides that may be present during the harvest. Answer true.
Thank you, learners, for your active participation. You did great. Good job.
Now, let us proceed to our proper lesson. Topic number 1, basic knife cuts. Number 1, bias. This is cutting vegetables in a diamond form. Number 2, chiffonade. It is a technique in cutting that is mostly used for flat leafy vegetables, such as basil and lettuce, to look elegant by their uniform and curly strips. Number 3, chopping. This term is widely used in culinary, which may indicate a no specific measurement. It is done through moving your hands straight downward when holding a knife. Number 4, diamond. Cutting vegetables into thin strips that produces a diamond shapes. Number 5, cutting vegetables in a dice or block shapes. This cut is done uniformly for aesthetic purposes. This can also apply not only to vegetables, but also to meat, fish, or fruits. Number 6. This is a long strips cut of vegetables, which is usually in rectangular form of about 3 inches long. Number 7. Mincing. This is cutting vegetables into small tiny pieces that needs a very sharp knife. Number 8. Paysanne. This is cutting vegetables thinly based on the vegetable's body shapes. In French cooking, it indicates an informal or imprecise cuts. Number 9. Rondelle is a type of cutting vegetables in which the cut produces round or oval shapes. This is done by slicing cylindrical vegetables crosswise. Number 10. Roll cuts. This is also called oblique cut. Most of the vegetables that are cut in oblique are those with long cylindrical shapes of foods such as carrots and radish, which add visual appeal to it. Topic number 2. General rules in cooking vegetables. Cook vegetables as quickly as possible with strong heat and serve immediately. Cook vegetables in small quantities. And to cook vegetables if they are to be cooked ahead of time. Put it in the chiller and reheat at service time. Never add baking soda, most especially when cooking green leafy vegetables. Cut vegetables with uniform technique and size to produce even cooking. Boil green leafy vegetables or any grown above the ground vegetables to salted water. Tubers and roots vegetables should start cooking with cold water. Sample tubers, ginger, and potatoes. Sweet potatoes and cassava. Sample root vegetables, onion and carrots. Uncover the pot when cooking green vegetables and other strong flavored ones. Topic number 3. Ways of cooking vegetables. Number 1. Baking. Starchy vegetables like potatoes, peas, and squash may also be cooked over the oven rather than using a range top. The effect of the dry heat results in a better and desirable texture from starchy vegetables. Number 2. This is the easiest way of cooking vegetables by putting water in a pot and let it boil for a few minutes before salt and vegetables are added to it. After boiling to prevent overcooked vegetables, let it cool quickly with cold water. When they will be reheated for saute, use butter or other fat added with seasonings and sauces. Number 3. This method of cooking is not just for meat but can also for any variety of vegetables. This is done by placing the blanched or raw vegetables in a pan. Then you may use any liquid such as water, wine, or stock to cook it slowly. If you desire to make it more flavorful, you may use the remaining liquid to boil. Then add butter, pepper, and lemon juice for better taste. Stir the liquid until it is reduced. Pour the sauce to the vegetables. Number 4. Deep frying. Frying vegetables is also possible by coating it with breading or batter. It will be more flavorful if you will add savory sauce. To save time and effort for frying, some of them may be pre-cooked through steaming or simmering before frying. Number 5. Sauteing and pan frying. These methods are used for pre-cooked or complete cooking of raw vegetables. Using a pan over high heat, add small amount of oil, butter, or fat with the preferred vegetables based on the standard recipe. Number 5. Steaming. This method works with boiling water using a steamer. Vegetables are placed in a food steamer which then cooled through the heat carried by the steam. Through constant boiling of water, the vapor will continuously arise that caused an intense heat that will produce a moist texture to vegetables. That's a wrap for the lessons about general rules in cooking vegetables. Let's try this. Fill in the blank. Rules. Complete the sentence by filling in the blank. Cook vegetables as blank as possible with strong heat and serve immediately. Answer quickly. Number 2. This blank. Cut is a long strips cut of vegetables, which is usually in rectangular form of about 3 inches long. Answer, Julienne. Number 3. Blank vegetables is also possible by coating it with breading or butter. Answer, frying. Number 4. Tubers and roots vegetables should start cooking with blank water. Answer, cold. Number 4. Cutting vegetables in a blank or block shapes. Answer, dice. Number 5. This blank is cutting vegetables in a diagonal form. Answer, bias.
Thank you, learners, for your active participation.
I hope that you learned a lot in our lesson for today. Thank you for joining today's class.